We've been able to keep blood safely pumping through our economy while fighting COVID-19. Let's keep it up.
I've come to the point of we need to have stronger state action and clearer guidance.
Dueling messages from our state leaders. Governor Doug Ducey once again pleading with Arizonans to wear their face masks to keep our state healthy and our economy strong, but stopping short of imposing new actions.
Meanwhile, State School Superintendent Kathy Hoffman clearly calling for more action, including a statewide mask mandate, suspending school sports, enforcing restrictions at restaurants, and testing and quarantining Arizona snowbirds.
Hoffman going one-on-one with our Danielle Lerner about why she's speaking out now.
I think we need to be doing more as a state because I am just absolutely terrified of what the future might hold for Arizona if we continue on this path.
An urgent call for more action from State Superintendent Kathy Hoffman, saying ongoing pleas for Arizonans to wear masks and physically distance are falling flat.
To me, just doesn't seem like it's being effective anymore.
She says rural areas are particularly struggling right now. Several Phoenix area districts have been remote since the spring, and governing boards across the state are faced with increasingly difficult decisions.
The numbers are continuing to skyrocket, and it is having a devastating impact on our education system.
Hoffman says she's happy with the guidance, benchmarks, and partnerships they've put in place, but adds the data shows they're not doing enough.
I feel like I see the writing on the wall, and the numbers are going in the wrong direction. Governor Ducey has also said that the numbers are going in the wrong direction.
Do it for our teachers.
The governor's most recent video message mentioning teachers briefly, but saying nothing more about schools or taking additional actions. Hoffman says her team speaks with the governor's team weekly, and she hopes for a meeting before the next legislative session.
What if we're still in the same spot couple weeks from now, or these calls for more action go unanswered? What's the next step then?
It's hard for me to say what comes next. All I can do is stay focused on, again, reminding people to be paying attention and elevating the voices of those who are really on the front lines as much as possible.
I'm Danielle Lerner, ABC15, Arizona.
We reached out to the governor's office about Superintendent Hoffman's concerns, and they sent us this statement saying, quote, "We value the strong working relationship we've had with Superintendent Hoffman and the Department of Education throughout this crisis. We've collaborated closely with them to provide guidance, resources, PPE, metrics, and more to schools, and we'll continue working together to prioritize safety and our kids."
Back to Governor Ducey now. We did hear from him today, once again in a pre-recorded video shared to Twitter. No opportunities for ABC15 to ask questions and no new measures to slow the spread. In the video, he urged personal responsibility, reminding Arizonans to keep wearing masks, practice social distancing, and in advance of the holidays, asking Arizonans to keep any gatherings small.
This is all about protecting public health and saving lives. Do it for your mom and grandma. Do it for our frontline healthcare workers. Do it for our teachers.
Earlier today, the governor held a video call with Vice President Mike Pence and other governors, writing also on Twitter that Arizona will remain vigilant in the fight against COVID-19.